So these are 5 best sneakers for your college under 4,000 rupees this summer. Let's go. What is up people, this is Kamle, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I'm excited to start this video, and we'll start this video with my favorite Puma sneaker ever. Like, it's hands down one of my favorite Puma sneakers ever, and let's unbox it and let me show you guys the pair. So this is Puma Suede 21. Hands down one of the most iconic sneaker from Puma, and also holds a very valuable place in hip-hop industry. This is a classic full suede upper sneaker in this beautiful red and white colorway. And the most exciting part about this sneaker are the laces on them. This super thick jumbo laces on this particular pair makes the sneaker look absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And I'll definitely suggest, if you ever buy a pair of Puma Suedes, put on this laces. And a lot of time people do ask me where to buy this. This will come in the box itself. The sneaker fits true to size, has decent comfort, is bit difficult to maintain if you get it in a lighter colorway like this, but the amazing part is the price on it. I got this pair for 3,599 rupees. That is a mind-blowing price for this pair. Now moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and this is one of the fan favorite brand, Nike. So let's unbox this and let's check it out. So this is Nike Royale 2, one of the most famous Nike budget models you can find on the internet. Personally, I'll tell you guys what I feel about this sneaker. If you want something very basic, if you want something very decent, a good pair of white sneaker, a good brand I'll say, then you can definitely go for this. It's a decent shoes, it looks decent, it fits decent, like it fits true to size, it has a decent comfort, and overall it's a white sneaker with green swoosh on it. Trust me, I'm not hating on it, but yes, that is what this sneaker is. And I got this pair for 3,529 rupees, but I'll suggest you guys, you can get this sneaker around 3,000 rupees as well. Most of the time this sneaker is on sale and you can get it around that price. So if you want to wait and get it around 3,000 rupees, you can go for it, or you can buy it at this price as well. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and it's from Adidas. So let's go. So this is Adidas Grand Coat 2.0. Again a full suede upper sneaker with Adidas branding on the tongue, on the back heel, and Adidas 3 stripes on the side panels of the sneaker. It is a pretty clean looking silhouette. It's a lot chunkier sneaker when you see it in hand, and also a bit heavier as well. The combination of navy blue and white on this pair looks beautiful. And one thing I would like to say, this pair is more comfortable than the Nike pair, and this sneaker fits true to size as well. The MRP of this sneaker is 8,000 rupees, but I got it for a great steal. That is 3,600 rupees. Beautiful price. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and it is from ASICS. And ASICS, you do not get good sneakers under 4,000 rupees, but I got a good deal on this, and that is the reason it is in this video. So let's go. So this is ASICS Classic CTS, a full leather upper sneaker in this black and yellow colorway with this white midsole on it. A very interesting color combination, because you do not get to see this kind of colors on sneakers in your day-to-day life. This sneaker is a bit more stiffer compared to any other sneaker on this list. You also get very minimal ASICS branding on the tongue and on the back heel of the sneaker. The ASICS logo on the side panel of the sneaker will definitely attract a lot of eyeballs, that is for sure. And yes, again this sneaker fits true to size and has decent comfort. And again I got a very good deal on this pair, that is 3,179 rupees. That is a beautiful price. Now we move towards the next sneaker, and obviously let's unbox it. So this is Puma CA Pro, one of the best Puma models which has emerged out in recent years. This is a full leather upper sneaker. It has a beautiful color blocking of red and white. You get white textured leather and red smooth leather on this pair. It also has a chunky sole which looks amazing on this pair. And I'll definitely tell you guys, this is a great alternative of Nike Air Force 1. If you do not want to go towards Nike Air Force, just get this one. And you can get this one at half the price of Nike Air Force. That is 3,500 rupees. A great price for this. And I have got all of them from Amazon. I have linked them in the description if you want to go and check them out. And if you want to check out the best, like the best sneaker you can get for summers, which I personally want to have in my collection, was this video here. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.